Jagan, how do you like the Google Cloud Next so far?
It has been amazing experience. I mean, this is my first time at Google Next, and I'm like blown away by the way they have done this. The keynotes were awesome, and some of the sessions that I've been attending I just went to Alaska Airlines today, what they have been doing, and the World Bank. So it's good to hear stories from other companies and what they have been and how their journey has been. So really impressed by what Google has put together.
Amazing. And what is your key takeaway from this conference?
Well, who is not going to say AI? Really, I think it's no longer a buzzword. I guess everyone is into it. I mean, nobody can avoid it. Nobody can ignore it.
Yeah.
So L'Oreal is on that journey for sure, and we have been doing quite a bit. Albeit a little cautiously, but then we are on the lookout. We are doing a lot of stuff where we can without exposing our data, but with enterprise AI, I think we are on the right path.
Amazing. And ready for 2 surprise questions that I didn't set you up for?
Sure, why not?
Okay, Gen AI, do you think it's the fad or the future?
The way I see it is, it's the future. It's going to mature quite a bit, and how it is going to be used. The way I also see it is, it's like social media. When it started, who thought there are going to be influencers, and that's the new way of selling. I think with Gen AI, it's kind of on a similar lines. There is a lot of potential. It's just up to the human mind to think about how you're going to exploit it or explore it.
Carol, so far, how did you like the Google conference?
It's amazing. I'm just on my 30th day at Solar and I'm overwhelmed. It's amazing. So much people to connect to and information with good quality. So yeah, I'm loving it.
Oh, that's so good. What would you say is your one key takeaway from the Google Next?
I think actually partnerships, opportunities for our business, and a lot of discoveries. Yeah, that's it.
So, as part of the Google Next 2023, Arindam, I know you are core engineering guy. Are you interested in Gen AI, right? What is the most interesting factor? What you've seen in the Google Next 2023?
I think the sort of the Gen AI in every aspect of it, right? I think driving all the technologies. So be it like we just attended a session on databases, how databases are leveraging that, right? In terms of search, obviously all the technical capabilities which are being powered. I mean, Duet, like helping augment and improve and bringing efficiency. So I think Gen AI for the last 6 months or 8 months it has, and I think I see that it's sort of hit through the roof in every space of it, right? And it's like you have to catch up with that, right? And every player is bringing their new offerings and all. So it's also mind-boggling, right? I mean, how do you? Because what we were thinking 3 months back, maybe things have already happened, and now do we change our roadmap? What do we do? So those, I think, are the sort of challenges and sort of ideas coming out. Like how do we pivot to those things as quickly as possible?
So, Pradap, Arindam has brought Gen AI. I know that I'm right. As a banking company, I'm right. You have a lot of regulations around it. I'm right. How do you think Gen AI would be able to help, right, in improving the experience of a customer of a bank?
I think, yeah, that's a great question. Okay, and if you look at like say financial industry, it's a regulated industry. So we are thinking of all the internal use cases where we can improve the efficiency and productivity of all our developers, customer professionals, okay, who are serving our clients. And I've seen a lot of use cases and patterns, okay, that have come up in this Google Next seminar and conference, okay, and also the tools and productivity products, okay, that can help and to scale up and build the solutions, okay. So you don't have to like say lag behind. You have to build custom solutions. You can see out-of-box product and you can integrate them and scale up your solutions and meet the existing demand of AI that you need, okay, of the Gen AI within the company.
Good. And I think to add to that, what I see is that the ecosystem is sort of huge now. Right? It's not like you're working with 2 or 3 or their niche. Everyone is there, and so the support system is becoming good. Right? And the like you spoke about, or the question was around all the governance, right, and all of that. And we are seeing already capabilities for explainable AI, right? I mean, how you can you have other assisted modes available, right? So I think the ecosystem is evolving very quickly, and there are a lot of players in that. So which will also help meet those governance requirements, because there's a lot of mind share going into that.
So, one of the major aspects of AI is all about security, right? The security around your system, security around data, right? How do you foresee that, right? AI or Gen AI can.
No, one is, I mean, in fact, today all the vendors are recognized that the financial companies, no one wants to keep their data open and all, right? I mean, so they are building those capabilities with that idea that your data would be within your firewalls or within the VPCs, right? And those controls are already being built. So I think that recognition that people or the companies will only move to cloud when they have that, and those are the basics or foundations of going to cloud, right? No one is just going to have in a very simple standard ways, right? I mean, so the capabilities are already there. So I think, I mean, this is obviously, I mean, and companies like, if you look at it in the last 3 years, where we were thinking of whether we would go with cloud, how we would go. We are now looking to move our warehouses, everything. So obviously that means that there's more trust with the capabilities out there.